Hi, my name is Michael Berkowitz. I'm the Director of Customer Marketing and Commercial Excellence for S&E's Professional Hygiene, the Torque brand, based out of here in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So the first question is around what is the industry missing when it comes to making safer product choices? As I think about this, I've got now 23 years in this industry. I've done it across kind of all levels of the value chain and supply chain as it comes to making safe choices for cleaning products. I think the biggest thing that's missing is honestly the education. There's this belief and this maybe just instilled in people that cleaner, safer products don't get the job done as well as more harsh, heavier duty chemicals. And the reality is that's just not true. With the right training protocols, with the right tools, safer cleaning chemicals actually get the job done extremely well. So I think that training and education is really an important part. And then the next question around what can the industry do to promote healthier and sustainable cleaning practices? I think it's a little bit of the same. It is really about just establishing the right protocols with people and reinforcing how to use products in the right way to achieve that better outcome. And safer, cleaner products can actually do that exceptionally well. So those harsher chemicals and harsher products that are not as good for the environment, is not as good for the people using them and the people in those environments, those should be the exception, certainly not the rule. And if the right processes are in place, healthier options really do perform and give better outcomes.